AIPH University, in collaboration with Mole Bio Diagnostics, organized Anti Dengue Day workshop in the campus of AIPH University. We are lucky to have Dr. Nagpal, scientist of WHO, who provided the keynote speech today on dengue, and students also participated how to screen the dengue and how the devices work.
It's a great interaction with Dr. B.N. Nagpal sir from WHO. In this session, we learn about prevention and transmission of dengue disease. We also learned the use and function of TrueNut machine.
As you enter into a new area, this mosquito will come with you in the new area and they start the transmission there. If the temperature is between 26 to 30 degrees centigrade and humidity is more than 55%, a female mosquito can survive up to 30 days. A male mosquito survive only for maximum 1 week, generally 3 days only. So female is the only mosquito, they transmit the disease.
I had with AIPH University, I have found the students were quite willing to learn the dengue thing. So I find it